Awesome, dude. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Dustin just hooked into him on a crankbait. Nice. Little buck bass there, bro. Got him in the gill a little bit, but it's all right. He'll probably live. It's funny, the bass are kind of like out here chasing. All right, hope you live, buddy. See you later. Is it?
I heard it.
Yeah, he's not a bad one. Right here. Yes, sir. All right, guys. First topwater fish of the year. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right, chill out, buddy. I'll get you. I'll get you.
I heard it. I was like, that sounds big.
He had the back hook just barely.
That's why I grabbed the net. I seen him, but he swung him.
About the same size as the fish you caught.
3.5 topwater and spinner bait.
Nice. Well, first fish of the day for me, guys. Second fish of the day. Finally, I've got myself a popper fish, and he hit it right by the boat too. I thought he was a small fish at first, but wound up being a pretty decent one. Not decent, but hell, I'll take anything right now, especially on topwater. All right, see you later, buddy. Well, it was like more shallow, and like when the water gets super low. Oh, dude, something just. Yeah, maybe. All right, guys. Fish number 2. Top water, baby. Top water. Let's go. Woo! He's not that good, but I got him. Yeah, he's a little chunker. Dude, that feels good. And I literally didn't even work it one time. Yeah, that one's a little bit more stocky. Still about the same size though. Awesome, awesome. Well, now we can tell Michael we've caught 3 fish. Nothing big, but hey, it's something. Fish number 2 on the El Papo. Dustin's gonna try it out. I think we'll be able to catch some more down this little stretch. Awesome, awesome. Second fish of the day for me, 3rd fish total. See you later, buddy. There's just something moving over here. What'd I just say? That's a better fish, dude. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Yes, sir. I'm gonna probably bring him on the other side. He was swimming, dude. Yes, sir. Woo! Dude, oh my gosh, bro. I just said it, there was something moving over there too. Oh, that gets my blood flowing, man. Let's go. Woo! That's a keeper there. That's a keeper on topwater, dude. That's freaking awesome. Fish number 3 of the day. All my fish this morning have been on the popper. And just talking about how I'd like to catch a big fish, and here we go. Just hooked about a 2.5 on the popper. That was pretty cool. Guys, I have not caught a topwater fish all year long. It has literally been months and months since I've caught one. And today, topwater is producing some nice ones, as you can see. So yeah, I'm actually gonna get a quick weight on this guy. Kind of curious as to see what he weighs, so see you in a sec. All right, guys, gonna get a quick weight on this guy.
I'll get you a picture down here in just a second.
2 pounds, 8 ounces. 2.5, just like I thought. All right, guys, let's get a release on this big girl. right. Say what? Yeah, from now. Oh! Dude!
I seen that.
He came all the way out of the water to get that. I had a feeling there was a fish on that too. Oh my gosh. He literally came all the way out. He was like a 2-pounder, 3-pounder maybe. That's what I thought, but you said no. Oh. All right, another one on the popper, guys. Sweet. Slow it down there, buddy. All right. Fish number 4 for me? 4? Yeah, 4. See you later. Way to take a shit. And Dustin caught him a nice little fish. What'd you catch him on, popper? Topwater has been booming this morning, folks. Awesome, dude. Great catch, man. Hell yeah. Dustin's second fish of the day. Took him a while, but he finally got it. See, I told you that popper was good, man. Crazy old man. Oh, there we go. All right. Second cast on the new spot. Got a little bitty bass on the crankbait, guys. Not a bad one. All right, guys, fish number 5 or 6 for me. I don't know. We decreased in size. It's not a good thing, but still another fish. See you later, buddy. Is that a fish? How big? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I waited for him to eat it.
Yeah, I seen that. I was really hoping that was a fish too. Nice. He hammered it, dude. Yeah, I watched you.
Set that hook into him.
Nice fish, dude.
That was cool.
Awesome. There we go. Oh, that's not a bad one. Yeah. Still about the same size as we've had him. Yeah, no, that's all right, dude. I got him. He's not big. I thought he was at first, but oh. All right. Another sign of life. See, this has been about the average size today. A little bit bigger. Hey, there we go. I'll take it, though. See you later, Squirt.
We're just on record. Gar, like one nose gar, like ones we have here.
It's like a 7, yeah, 7, 8. There's a fish, a tiny one. Yeah, look at him. Barely even putting up a fight.
It's 10 fish right there.
Barely even putting up a fight. Is it a crappie?
Maybe. Yep. Sure is.
No, that's a largie. Look, he's barely bigger than the damn bait. Woo!
Come on.
There's a fish. Not a bad one. Oh, acrobatic. I think I got him. Not a bad one.
That was good fish.
Yeah, that's not a bad one at all.
Oh, good fish today.
That's what you get for catching the 4-pounder 2 weeks ago. I'll take it. Yeah, I felt him whack it. Not a bad one though. About a 1.5 pounds or so. Very healthy post-spawn fish, it looks like. Awesome. Another one bites the crankbait. See you later. Heck yeah, dude. I thought it was a rock and then I immediately knew it wasn't. As soon as I reeled into it, I was like, oh, that's a fish. And he jumped all the way out of the water. I hope I got that on camera. I think I did because I was kind of like facing this way. And I caught him out here in the fucking middle almost. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he got off, dude. That was definitely a fish. Definitely a fish. Oh my God, he was on there for a solid like 3 seconds. shit. Well, at this point, it has been about 4.5 hours. Oh, dude, big fish. Big fish. No, not big, but still. Nice. Dude, yes, sir. Thought he was a lot bigger. Dude, he's chunky, though.
I gotta try and check the battery for the trolling motor and you catch another fucking fish.
This dude is thick, bro.
I see him.
That's like an almost 2-pounder. Very healthy fish. He came up and whacked it, son. Wow. All right, guys. Fish number, I don't even know for me. Well, while Dustin is salty, he hasn't caught a bass in a while. I'm holding a almost 2-pound fish.
That's what I am. I'm salty.
Oh man, but yeah, it has been a good day to say the least. No giants, but hey, we could run across one at any moment. Let's get a release on this one. Good fighter there. All right, guys. Well, I wasn't recording, but I just cast it in there and caught this very healthy little rock bass. Don't see too many of those on the lake. Oh, you son of a bitch. Get off of there. All right, well, there's a slab for a little rock bass there. Beautiful fish. I mean, look at that, guys. It's been a pretty awesome day out here on the water, and I can't complain. I can't complain. See you later, buddy. But then, and then on Saturday, I did that trampoline, fixing that trampoline for that lady on Thumbtack. See, that was a lead that was worth it, because I paid $3 for that lead. I think I have a fish. I sure do.
A big fish.
Oh, he spit it.
That's what I hate about crankbaits.
Oh,
Big fish.
that was a good fish. That was,
fish.
damn. Sorry. Well, guys, this concludes our fishing trip today. I gotta say, it was a pretty decent day for me. I didn't catch any giants, but I did lose a pretty big one at the end there. It looked like about a 3 or 4 pounder. Did land a 2.5 today, then caught some other little dinks and probably a couple keepers as well. Not a bad day. It's about 12 fish total. And yeah, look what we have installed on our boat, guys. We just purchased this last week. It works great. I love it. And yeah, I recommend it. It's a Helix 5. It's an amazing fish finder. Works good, great depth. You can definitely tell the difference, you know, what's what on here. And yeah, we're actually gonna have to get the maps for the contour maps for this lake, and then also Smart Strike. So yeah, looking forward to that. Anyways, guys, I want to say thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to drop a like down on this video and also hit the subscribe button. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time.